To execute an E-TRADE IRA, you need to start by understanding what an IRA is and how it works. An individual retirement account is a type of savings account that provides tax benefits for retirement savings. E-TRADE is an online brokerage firm that allows you to open and manage your IRA account online. First step is to open an E-TRADE account if you do not already have one. You can do this by going to the E-TRADE website and following the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide personal and financial information to complete the application process. Once your account is open, you can choose the type of IRA you want to open. E-TRADE offers traditional and Roth IRAs. A traditional IRA allows you to deduct your contributions from your taxable income and the money grows tax deferred. A Roth IRA does not offer a tax deduction for contributions, but the money grows tax-free. After selecting the type of IRA you want to open, you need to fund your account. You can do this by transferring money from your bank account or by rolling over an existing retirement account. The annual contribution limit for an IRA is set by the IRS and it is subject to change. Next step is to choose the investments for your IRA. E-TRADE offers a wide range of investment options including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. You can choose to invest in a single asset class or diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple asset classes. It is also important to set an investment strategy for your IRA. This could include setting a target asset allocation and regularly reviewing and adjusting your portfolio. You should also consider your risk tolerance and time horizon when selecting investments for your IRA. Finally, you need to monitor and maintain your IRA account. This includes keeping track of your account balance and investment performance and making adjustments as needed. You should also review and update your account information regularly to ensure that it remains accurate and up to date. In conclusion, executing an E-TRADE IRA requires some planning and research, but it can be a great way to save for retirement. By following these steps and considering your individual financial goals and circumstances, you can create a successful IRA investment strategy and achieve your long-term financial objectives.